Introducing the highest return on investment maintenance mower on the market. Consuming 31% less PTO power and up to 13% less fuel than the previous market-leading brand, whilst being the heaviest duty in its class. Built for ultimate longevity and with minimal steel-on-steel wear. A maintenance mower produced by global leaders in cut technology. Engineered to provide ultimate efficiency and unmatched performance. A mower that provides maximum uptime and minimal maintenance requirements. Designed from start to finish with the customer in mind. Built to global safety standards. With operator-friendly features and compacts for easy transport. Designed to give you the advantage. Trimax Vulcan. Book a free demo today.